Hello boys and girls. For today's STEM activity, we are going to make some foil boats and see if they will sink or float. So for this activity, we need a tray full of water. We need some foil and some shapes to make our own boat. So I've used a piece of foil and wrapped it around a bowl and made a shape like so. Similarly, I've used this glass to make a shape of a glass and formed it into a boat. I used a box to make a boat like this. And I've made another boat using this bowl. So now let's add weights to it and see if it will sink or float and which boat takes the most shapes. So when you make these boats, you have to see which one will hold the most weight. Is it better to have a boat with a small bottom and tall sides, or a wide bottom and small sides? And does a sheet of aluminum foil, if I put this aluminum foil, will it sink or float? What happens if I crumble it? Will it sink or float? Try this experiment at home. Now remember one thing, that a boat displaces water. When the weight of the boat is less than the water it displaces, it floats. But if the boat weighs more than the water it displaces, it sinks. Try this experiment at home and see which one floats, which one takes the most weight and floats, and which one sinks. See, this one sank, and our crumbled paper sank. So try this experiment and let us know what you find out. Thank you for watching.